What is a domain name? A domain name is a text-based representation of an IP address. And you say, okay, that doesn't help much. What is an IP address? An IP address is a string of numbers, much like the address to your business office. Like mine is 450 Sinclair Street, Reno, Nevada, 89501. Instead of using a long string of numbers or an IP address to find your address online, you can attach a name, a text-based name to that address. And that, my friend, is a domain name. So for example, my company's domain name is www.renowebdesigner.com. It's a whole lot easier for you to remember that instead of my IP address, which is 141.193.213.20. Which would you prefer on my business card? I think that you would rather see renowebdesigner.com. So a domain name makes it simpler and easier for your customers or anyone that wants to reach out to you to remember the name of your business online. So that's a quick, simple, easy explanation of what a domain name is. The most common domain name extensions are .com, .org, .net, and .us. Those are the easiest to remember as well. I know there's a lot of other domain name extensions available. There's over 200 of them. There's domain extensions like .me, .biz, .seo, .marketing, .webdesign, .photographer. There's a lot of them to choose from, and it's growing every year. And all of those names are catchy, and they'll make you stand out more online. In my experience in doing SEO or internet marketing for the last 23 years, they're more difficult to rank high in Google search. I think that that's going to change, and it is changing. And I am currently working on different SEO strategies to figure out how I can rank those cool and creative domain extensions. But for now, try to stick with .com, .org, or .net. All right, just to make it easy on yourself. So how do you buy a domain name? It's really simple. The biggest domain name company that I use is GoDaddy. Now, don't laugh at me. I do not ever use GoDaddy for hosting, ever. They're the worst. Unless you get a managed dedicated server, it's awful. I use a company called WP Engine. I've got a coupon listed somewhere below here if you want to use it. I get $2 if you use it, but WP Engine is awesome. But anyways, let's focus. So how to buy a domain name. Go to GoDaddy.com and just spend $10 for a domain name. Do a search for, you want to buy at least 2 domain names. One, the exact match name of your business name, your legal business name. That's important. You got to protect your brand. 2, you want to buy at least another domain name that's easier, because if you're like me, your legal business name is really long. Like mine is Reno SEO Marketing and Web Design. Pretty straightforward, right? But it's a horribly long domain name. So I chose renowebdesigner.com because it's easy to remember, easy to spell, right? So you want to find a domain name that is available, preferably .com, that is easy to remember. Play around with it, get fun. You can buy more than 2 domain names. It's up to you. I have hundreds of domain names. I have domain names that I use that are easier for me to segment. So if I'm targeting attorneys, like on a social media or pay-per-click ad on Google, instead of sending them to renowebdesigner.com, I'll send them just one of my domain names, which I'm not going to share, but for example, it would be Best Legal SEO Expert or SEO Expert for Lawyers.com. So whenever these attorneys see my ads online, they'll see, oh, this is an easy to remember name that's relatable to the services that I provide. So that's just like a little example of what you can do in your own business. And it's super affordable. It really is.